When you search for the best organic jojoba oil, everything looks the same. Same claims, same pretty bottles. But to really find the gem that works for you, you've got to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Cleganic Organic Jojoba Oil, 4 ounces. Cleganic Organic Jojoba Oil caught my eye with its clear labeling and affordability at just $9.97. If you want a reliable jojoba oil that moisturizes your face, hair, skin, and nails, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Cleganic's oil is USDA certified organic and 100% pure, meaning no synthetic additives. It's cold-pressed and hexene-free, ensuring you get the best nutrients possible. Users rave about its versatility. It can be used on all skin types, making it a fantastic option if you're looking to simplify your beauty routine. Plus, it's hypoallergenic and unscented, so it's gentle on sensitive skin. Now, some people complained about the packaging varying, which might throw you off. Here's the thing though, as long as the oil itself remains high quality, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. If you're just looking for effective moisturizing without the fuss, this could work perfectly for you. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, effective moisturizer for multiple uses. Skip this one if you need something heavily scented or more specialized. Overall, it's a great value for your money, especially for a certified organic product. Now, if Cleganic's smaller size didn't cut it for you, this next option offers a bulk solution.
Product number 2, Handcraft Blends USDA Organic Jojoba Oil. Handcraft Blends USDA Organic Jojoba Oil is priced at $9.99 for an 8-ounce bottle, and it has a premium feel. If you want something that deeply moisturizes and can be used for both skin and hair, this is definitely worth considering. This jojoba oil is cold pressed, which helps preserve its natural vitamins and nutrients. It absorbs quickly and doesn't clog pores, making it an excellent daily moisturizer. With its lightweight texture, it's perfect for anyone who hates greasy products. Customers love its ability to condition hair, leaving it softer and shinier without weighing it down. Plus, it's ideal for aromatherapy and massage, making it very versatile. Now, some reviews mention that it doesn't have a strong scent, which might disappoint those looking for an aromatic experience. However, I think this is a positive thing, especially if you're sensitive to fragrances or prefer to mix it with essential oils. This is perfect for you if you're into aromatherapy or need a reliable everyday moisturizer. Skip this if you really want something with a strong scent. For the price, it offers great quality. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need a larger supply.
Product number 3, Jojoba Pure Jojoba Oil, 16 fluid ounces. Jojoba Pure Jojoba Oil stands out with its larger 16 fluid ounce bottle at just $13.49. If you want a bulk option that meets all your skincare needs, this is a great choice. This jojoba oil is USDA certified organic and cold pressed from responsibly grown seeds. Its light-weight texture makes it easy to apply, and it works wonderfully for hair, skin, and nails. Users appreciate that it's gentle enough for sensitive skin while still providing deep hydration and nourishment. It can also be used for DIY skincare projects, which is a huge plus if you're into crafting your own products. However, I did see some comments about the pump being a bit tricky to use at times. Here's the thing though, if you're careful, it shouldn't be too much of an issue, especially considering the amount of product you get for the price. This is perfect for you if you love DIY skincare or just want a reliable moisturizer in bulk. Skip this one if you prefer smaller bottles for variety. It's definitely a good value for those who want more for their money. Now, if Jokin's pump issue concerns you, the next product has a more user-friendly design.
Product number 4, Majestic Pure Organic Jojoba Oil, 8 fluid ounces. Majestic Pure Organic Jojoba Oil comes in at $9.98 for an 8 fluid ounce bottle, and it really caught my attention for its purity. If you're looking for a clean, natural carrier oil for your beauty routine, this is worth considering. This oil is USDA certified organic and 100% pure, free from any fillers. It absorbs quickly, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Users love that it can be used for hair, skin, and nails alike, which speaks to its versatility. Plus, it's non-GMO, vegan, and cruelty-free, so you can feel good about what you're using. Now, one downside is that a few users mentioned they expected it to be thicker. Here's my take. If you want an oil that's lightweight and easily absorbed, this is perfect. But if you prefer something thicker, you might want to look elsewhere. This is perfect for you if you want a clean and versatile oil for various uses. Skip this if you need a thicker consistency. It's a solid choice for the price. All right, that was a great option. But if you need something with a bit more quantity, let's talk about the final product. Product number 5, Cleganic Organic Jojoba Oil, 16 ounce with pump. Cleganic's Organic Jojoba Oil in a 16-ounce bottle with a pump is priced at $24.69. If you want a bulk size with easy application, this one is definitely intriguing. This jojoba oil is 100% pure and USDA certified organic, ensuring you're getting a quality product. The pump design is a game changer for easy dispensing, especially if you plan to use it frequently for skin, hair, and nails. It's also cruelty-free and sustainably sourced, so you can feel good about your purchase. However, some users mention that the pump can get clogged with frequent use. Here's the thing though, if you clean it regularly, you should be fine. Plus, the bulk size means you have plenty of product to work with. This is perfect for you if you want a convenient bulk option for daily use. Skip this if you prefer smaller bottles for variety. It offers good value for the amount you receive.
So, to quickly recap, Cleganic Organic Jojoba Oil is great for versatile use in a smaller size. Handcraft Blends offers premium quality with a focus on moisturizing. Yokin gives you bulk value for DIY lovers. Majestic Pure is a clean choice for those wanting a simple oil. And Cleganic 16 ounce with pump is perfect for easy access. Each has its strengths depending on your needs, so consider what's most important for you.